folks, my name's Ken Quick. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. Today it's my pleasure to show you this Newmar Dutch Star 4018 that we just got in. This is a 2019. It has a 450 Cummins in it. A lot of other features that I'm about to show you. If you have any questions about this coach or any other coach here at Guaranty RV, please give the coach, that's my nickname, a call at 208-250-8625, and I can answer all your questions for you. Let's go inside and take a look around. Okay, this coach just came in, so we haven't even made the bed yet. So let me show you in the bathroom here. We've got this nice rounded shower, gives you lots of elbow room with a rain head on this shower. Over here on this side, we've got a safe and a hanging closet. Really nice vanity here with lots of room for everything. Storage underneath. Couple drawers right here. If you choose to have a washer dryer, you would get a stacker in here. A washer and a dryer, not an all-in-one. Newmar has added the emergency escape door. This includes a ladder, so when you want to, if you have to get out of this coach, this pops open. There's a ladder that drops down right here out of this emergency escape door. Great idea by Newmar. As we move out of the bathroom, we're into the bedroom here. Like I said, the bed hasn't even been made yet. You can see the ottomans that go into the living room and the bedspreads and pillows. Beautiful woodwork. All ducted in the ceiling. This coach has 6-inch ceiling, 3-inch walls, dual pane windows, 4-inch floor, built on 16-inch center hung wall, just like a house. This is a beautiful coach. There's no particle board in here. 6 drawers down below. More storage on this side. As we move out of this bedroom and into the living area, you have central vac down below. You have a lighted pantry. These are adjustable. Residential refrigerator, freezer down below. Take everything with you. Bath and a half model here. So this door is a patented door for Newmar. That way you can get into this bathroom and the refrigerator when this coach is all closed up going down the road. Corian countertops, look at the size of those sinks. Corner for hiding your coffee pot or putting bread in there. Slide drawers, garbage basket underneath here. Great hardware on all these cabinets too. Another slide drawer right here makes it easy to get those things that are in the back. This is an induction cooktop. Cutting board on the back side of these. This can be taken out, unplugged, taken out outside, and you can do your cooking outside if you want to. Great idea by Newmar. This is an extension, so this goes back in when you don't need it, out when you do. Big long drawers, you can see the space in here. More storage underneath. As we move across, we have the dinette. This is actually, will extend, and there's a couple of chairs underneath the bed, so you can seat more people here. This is a great idea. I love this because you can sit here in the morning, have your coffee. We have a televator, pop-up TV that comes up behind that couch over there, and I will show you that. Okay, so very comfortable, almost like 2 more recliners. Here's a couple of real recliners. They've gone to all wood valance here on the windows. Great idea. Storage up above. These slides are built just like the rest of the coach. 6-inch ceiling, 3-inch walls, dual pane windows. They're warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. Little end table here in the middle. This is a couch here that folds out. Pop-up TV comes up here. When you don't want the TV, you've got your window. Accent lighting on both sides in the wood. Beautiful wood, beautiful woodwork. As you move into the cockpit, you've got, you know, auto leveling. You've got the 3-stage engine brake. You've got cruise control, all the bells and whistles, side cameras, backup cameras, heated mirrors, electric mirrors. Very comfortable coach. You've got a Desk here that swings out for the co-pilot. Comes right across. They can put their laptop right here. These are both recliners. They both turn around, so you add more seating into your living area here. Just got here, so hasn't been cleaned yet. Automatic locks. You can see that little flapper up there on the top. When this comes in, when this slide comes in, it pushes this. It's a mechanical lock. Locks your slides right into place. Big wheels and tires on this coach. Okay, makes it ride great. These are Michelin's alloy wheels. Fuel it up from either side. Storage right here. I'm going to let my cameraman kind of slide in. He's doing the limbo. Okay, slide tray goes all the way across out either side. Another slide tray right here. This is a half tray, but it's wider. There's your, your vacuum. You've got outside TV, frameless windows. You have awnings over the windows, toppers on the slides, 2 awnings that come out, LED lights underneath. This is a tag axle 40-foot coach, folks. This tag axle will turn to 12 degrees. This thing will spin around on a dime. Here is your emergency escape door from the outside. You can see how that fits flush in there. Here's your DEF fluid. Chassis batteries here, on-off switch. Okay. Nice thing about the Dutch Stars, side draft radiator access. You can get in here, you can check your belts, change your fluids. This coach has a 15,000 pound tow capacity, 450 Cummins. Here's your backup cam. You got 360-degree security camera. This is a security camera here, and your backup camera up above. Side draft radiator, DEF fluid fill right here. As we move down the coach, beautiful full body paint job on this coach. Here's your wet bay here. You'll notice that the hose is on a reel. You got filters, you got outdoor shower, everything you need right there. Makes it easy. This is a drop hinge, so if you look in here, when I push this in, you can see how it drops down, gives you more clearance between the top of this door and the slide. 50 amp on a reel, which is really nice because that is a big old thick cord and tough to work sometimes. There's your Oasis heat system. This coach has heated floors. The Oasis system gives you a nice even heat. It's a furnace, has electric elements, and it burns diesel. We can go into more details when you give me a call. It also gives you a nice even heat. You won't hear it going off and on like you do in a traditional RV heater. Here's your slide tray that goes through. Comes out either way. There's your bank of batteries. This coach is an all-electric coach. It is equipped with 8 batteries on a slide tray. It has auto gen, so your generator will kick on automatically when the batteries start to get low, or you can set it for a certain time every day to run for so long. Very nice to have. Access panel to your fuses. You're going to have a big diesel generator up front. Side cameras right here. This coach is equipped with an 8,000 Onan diesel generator. Plenty of power to run this rig. Folks, if you have any questions about this beautiful Newmar 2019 Dutch Star, please give me a call. Again, Ken Quick, Guaranty RV, 208-250-8625. Thank you.